Congratulations, you signed up for this 30-day yoga challenge. You're the type of person who takes your health and your wellness serious. I put together this course that's going to help take your 30 days to a whole nother level. So before you even get to the 30-day challenge, I want you to learn some fundamental things. First, whenever we get to our yoga practice, the focus is always on the breath. And we're going to breathe in through the nose and out of the nose to help our mind relax, calm down, and focus. Second, we're going to use the whole body. I'm talking about the whole body. Yep. We're going to stretch all the way from our toes to the top of our head and our fingertips. And when we do that, we want to be mindful of our body. So if you make a move and it's a little painful, if you make a move and it feels like your breath is short and your body's going to ask you to stop, go ahead and stop. It's about safety first. We're going to make it through this 30 days and you're going to be better, not more injured. So whenever you feel like your body's saying stop, stop. Relax, release. This is yoga. Take it easy. And the third is about being in a state of mindfulness. I want you to think about it right now. Is your heart going? Is your breath going? Is your blood flowing? These are all things that happen automatically. But when we are in our yoga practice, I want you to think about where you place your hands, where you place your shoulders, where you place your feet, and then let it go. That's all a part of being mindful and in the present moment. And we do that by combining that breath with the movement, with the focus to help change and transform your day. It's going to take this 30-day challenge to help you step into the renewal. But even more, we have this course for you that's going to take your life and renew it. So go ahead and click the link below to learn how you can get your yoga and meditation beginner's course right now. Today, it's for you. It's going to have tons of tips and tools to get your yoga and your meditation practice started. And when you combine that with the 30-day challenge, you will have a life transformed to help you go from yelling to yoga. All right, let's get yourself some renewal. Go ahead and click the link below to find out how you can get this amazing course, the beginning yoga and meditation courses for you. All right, let's go. Good morning. Buenos dias. Welcome to day 10. We made it through 10 days of yoga, 9 days. This is our 10th day of yoga, and it's time to wake up. It's time to get up. Being a practicer of the yogas means you have a routine, and usually you like to do yoga at a certain time of the day, and this yoga is going to help us wake up and get into the rest of our day. So let's get into this morning yoga routine on this 10th day of this 30-day yoga challenge. I can't believe you made it to day 10. Thank you so much for rocking with me as we're going through this. We're going to start our 10-day yoga challenge, how we start off all of our days. Our day 10 of the yoga challenge by breathing. Let's inhale, bring both hands up, full, tall stretch here. Exhale, drop them down. Good, yeah. You with me? I'm with you. Inhale, bring the hands up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more, just because it feels amazing. Inhale. And exhale. Good. We're going to slowly wake up the body. Moving it around, getting the juices going, shaking off the night's rest. Bring your feet wide, maybe wider than your mat. Inhale to bring the arms wide. Push the hips back, bring the chest forward. Slowly coming down, to a forward fold with nice wide legs. Yeah. Come to the middle, and then just want you to gently rock to the right, rock to the left, warm it up. Good, relax the head, the neck and the shoulders. Allow your body to just slowly move back and forth. Good. Feeling the hips, the arms, legs, full body. Getting a wake up call. Good. Turn the hips, turn the legs. Explore, feel what's there this morning. Shake the head, relax, release. Good, good, good. My hip just popped. That was good. Nice. Now I want you to slowly roll on up. Tuck the tailbone, knees are bent. Whole body gets to enjoy this. Breathing in. Hands up to the sky, reach up, stretch up. Exhale, drop it down. Move the head to the left, to the right. I'm going to turn that right foot towards the top of the mat. Right foot goes to the top of the mat. I'm going to scooch it up. Grab the mat with my toes and scooch it up. And I'm going to take that left foot and I'm going to heel toe it back. Just a little bit, get some space. Good, good, good. Hips are open as my right leg is pointing forward. My left leg is, toes are pointing to the side. Inhale, bring both hands out to the side, reach up, stretch up. Knee is relaxed as I lean forward over that front right leg. Ooh, I already feel the stretch right there. And I'm going to gently drop down my right hand. Maybe to the shin, to the knee, to the thigh, wherever, or maybe down to the toes or the ground, whatever. Ooh, for a deep stretch here. And this triangle pose. Good. Roll that left hand back. Open up for that stretch. It's a big stretch, waking us up early, getting it going. Good. And then slowly coming up. Bring those hands back into that vertical horizontal position. Breathe in. Now I want to bend my front right knee. Drop it into that warrior, but we're going to cartwheel coming all the way down. Bring that left hand over and down to the ground and drop that left knee. I want to show you that again. One movement in the legs. In the arms, no movement in the legs. Legs staying the same in this triangle. I'm going to bring that left hand up and over. Bring that right hand down to the side. Drop the left knee down to the ground. Oh, that was good. Good. From here, we are already in our lunge. We made it. It's not lunge, it's a lunge. But I'm dropping the hips down. Feel the chest come up. You can bring the head up. Bring the shoulders off the chest. Bring the shoulders off the leg, the chest off the thigh. Good for that stretch here. Oh, this is good. We're flooding the body with fresh blood. Carrying oxygen, carrying a good day in there. Feel that stretch here. Hips come forward. And then I'm going to take the hands and walk back. But look at the hips. My hips are moving back. And as my hips move back, my legs straighten. My front right leg straighten. So I'm going to move my hips back. Good. Straighten out that right leg. Coming into half splits. Ardhanat Chandrasana. Good, good, good. And I feel the stretch here in the back of my leg. Hips. If you want more, go ahead and push the hips back. And lean forward. Put your chin on your toenail. Ooh. Stretch the back of the leg, the hamstring, the toe, the foot. Stretch your mind. Breathe, 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 breathe. Relax the shoulders. We're here. Another breath. And good to go. Nice. Hips come forward once again. As the hips come forward into that right foot falls flat. Drop the hips down. Now I'm going to slide this front right foot back and lower down. Oh, good. And then slowly come up into a cobra. Low cobra, little baby cobra. Keep it low. We don't even need to extend the arms. Keep it low. Low and slow, like brisket. Slowly pick it up. And put it back. Bring the hips back. Stretch back. Oh, here we go. My hands are pulling out away from me. My hips are pulling the other direction. My back is stretching. Full body stretch right here. This is good. This is real good. You remember that dream you had last night? If not, just let it fade away into the deep stretch. Breathing in and breathing out here. Good, good, good. Inhale, coming up. Oh. Move the hips to the right, bump, bump, bump. Move the hips to the left, bump, bump, bump. Good. Spread the hands wide. Tuck the toes. Raise the hips into your first down dog of the day. Let's get some energy here with this down dog. Right over. Bring that right foot up and back to the sky. Let that left heel drop down. And then bring it back down. Send that left leg up. Straighten that left leg out. And bring it down. Let's do that a couple more times. If you want to, you can just bend the knees back and forth, move the hips, wag your tail in this dog. Just waking it up, getting some energy from the body.
Good. Whew. And then let's slowly walk those feet up to the hands. Inhale, slowly rolling up. Relax the shoulders back and down. Oh, bring the hands up into the sky. Exhale, bring the hands to the heart. Widen the legs. Move the hips, left and right. Inhale, bring the hands out to the side. Lean forward towards me. Nose to nose, watch out. Good, crust out your eyes, good. Slowly flow forward. Rock to the right, to the left, right, to the left. Now I want you to send your hand behind you. I want you to reach behind you with your hands, pulling yourself into a deeper stretch. Gently reach behind you, stretch, stretch, stretch. Good, good, good. Inhale, slowly coming back. Turn those left toes towards the front or the back of the mat, whatever it is. Turn those left toes straight. Keep your right leg where it is. Good. Roll up. If you need more space, go ahead and scooch that left foot forward. Heel toe that right foot back. Keep it in line. My heel is in line with the middle of my right foot. Good. So just nice alignment. Both hands reach out, stretch out. Exhale, lean over towards that front left foot. Drop it, drop it, drop it. Ooh. Drop that left hand down. Right hand comes up. Stretch. Oh, my whole right side is opening up like a can of beans. Good. No beans for breakfast, but right. Oh, maybe black beans and rice. Sounds like a good breakfast. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Nice. Then slowly come on up. Breathe in. Relax the shoulders. This time I'm going to drop that left hand out in the way. Drop the left hand down. Bend that left knee and bring the right arm like a rainbow up and over. Good, good, good. And then that right knee turns and drops down as well. And we made it into our low lunge. Ooh, back is stretching here. Ooh, here it is. Feel the stretch here. This is telling you a lot about where your body is right here. Don't you judge yourself, just let it be where it is early in the morning. Your body's getting there, your mind's getting there. Oh, good, good, good. Get you some good orange juice or something. Then we're going to slowly bring the hips back. Let the toes come towards your face. Feel that deep stretch there. And exhaling. So I'm bringing my right hip forward, my left hip back. I already feel that stretch right there in the glute, hamstring. Good. I want so I can lean forward. Oh, hello. Good morning. Feel that deep stretch there. Inhale. Exhale. Roll the hips forward. Drop that left foot down. Bring the hands down to the mat. Oh, slide back. Good. Now lay flat on your belly. Inhale, we're gonna come up to a cobra. You can use your arms this time, but still relax your shoulders. Breathe in. Go straight that back. Ooh. Good. And from here, we're gonna go straight into a downward dog. Bring the hips up. Knees into the ground and bring those toes into the ground. Here we go. Let's bring those legs up. Inhale, send that right foot back to the sky. Stretch. Exhale, drop it down. Inhale that left foot up to the sky. Stretch. And drop it down. Good. Hold it here. 5, 4. Hips up. Arms extended. Relax the head. 3. Drive the heels down. 2. And 1. Good. Drop the knees. Push the hips back and down. Reach towards the top of your mat with the fingers and towards the back of your mat with your hips. Hey, what a wonderful day. It's coming to us. Happy morning to you. Let it all just sink in. Good. When you're ready, you can, let's go into the seated position, find your way. Or you can just stay there in that child's pose. You know, do stay there in the child's pose. You got a long, beautiful day ahead of you. You deserve to get your rest and chill. Relax. I'm gonna bring my hands together in the chest. Relax my shoulders, relax your face. You enjoy your child's pose. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for showing this up this morning, this 10th day. You did it. As always, feel free to feel free. And namaste. Peace, peace, peace. Thank you. See you on day 11. Let's go.